Welcome back. What we need to do now is we need to listen in real time to determine if we need to make corrections to the audio. So what we're going to do is we're going to click Generate Speech. ElevenLabs is then going to play the audio as it generates, and we will then be able to determine where we need to make corrections to the script so that it will sound the way we want it to sound. We're now going to click Generate Speech.
ChatGPT's new features, revolutionizing productivity for solopreneurs. The latest updates to ChatGPT have transformed it into a versatile assistant for solopreneurs and online marketers, enhancing productivity, content generation, and data interaction. Here's a breakdown of the key features introduced in the 21 transcripts, showing how ChatGPT can be a game changer for your business. 1. Web search capabilities. The new web search feature allows ChatGPT to pull real-time, reliable information directly from the internet with source citations. This ensures accuracy, reduces misinformation, and saves solopreneurs valuable research time, keeping them ahead of the competition. 2. Flexible subscription plan. ChatGPT offers free and paid plans. The free version includes basics like web search and file uploads, while the paid version offers advanced features like voice mode, priority access, and multimedia analysis. The flexibility to switch between plans without a long-term commitment makes it accessible for all budgets. 3. Memory management. Memory management lets users decide what ChatGPT remembers, allowing for personalized responses. Users can delete specific memories to maintain privacy, which is useful for handling sensitive business data. 4. Voice mode. Voice mode provides a hands-free way to interact with ChatGPT. Available on the desktop app, it allows users to dictate blog posts, brainstorm, or create content without typing. This feature boosts productivity for those who prefer multitasking or find typing tedious. 5. Image and video analysis. ChatGPT can now analyze multimedia, including images and videos. Solopreneurs can upload product photos, and ChatGPT will provide descriptions, categorize images, and identify visual styles. This is especially helpful for e-commerce, saving time and ensuring consistent branding. 6. Canvas, the co-writer. Canvas acts as a co-writer, helping users draft, refine, and finalize content like social media posts, emails, and blog articles. It adjusts tone, improves clarity, and suggests new ideas, making it a reliable writing partner for solopreneurs. 7. Document formatting. ChatGPT can format and export documents in Microsoft Word or PowerPoint, making it easy to produce professional content. This feature saves time on creating ready-to-use blog posts, presentations, or sales pitches. 8. Content editing and adjustment. Canvas lets users adjust the length and complexity of content using a slider. Users can create brief summaries or in-depth analyses, adjust the reading level, and ensure the content is engaging for their audience. 9. Browser extension for efficient workflow. The new browser extension integrates ChatGPT into your default web browser, enabling quick searches directly from the address bar. This feature minimizes workflow disruptions and improves productivity for solopreneurs who need quick answers. 10. Practical applications for business. ChatGPT's features have several practical uses. Marketing agencies use it to personalize email campaigns, leading to higher engagement rates. In e-commerce, image analysis helps improve product recommendations. Canvas helps overcome writer's block, making content creation faster and easier. 11. Research and multitasking. With integrated web search and multimedia analysis, ChatGPT is an effective research assistant. Solopreneurs can get reliable answers to market questions, saving hours of online research. Voice mode also allows users to brainstorm while multitasking, capturing ideas without typing. Conclusion: elevating your business. ChatGPT's recent updates offer powerful tools for solopreneurs. Features like memory management, voice mode, professional content formatting, and multimedia analysis make ChatGPT an invaluable business partner. These tools save time, boost creativity, and improve efficiency, helping solopreneurs grow their business and reach their goals. By adopting these tools, solopreneurs can stay ahead in a competitive digital landscape, making their work more efficient and successful.
So as you can see, there were several instances where we really need to go back and we're going to have to make sure, for example, in this paragraph, we're going to put a period here so that the AI will pause. Same thing in paragraph 7. We want the AI to pause after the subtitle. And there was yet another subtitle in number 5. So we have 3 subtitles that we need to go back and re-record. Now, for the sake of this video, we're not going to regenerate the speech on camera. But in order to fix the blemishes and get the AI to pause, we're going to place a period after the subheading. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.